By connecting your Xbox 360 console to the internet, you'll be able to experience a whole new world of gaming and entertainment. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up an Xbox 360 for Telstra Clear internet access. The way these are configured will change depending on how your network is set up. Before we start, you will need to identify whether you're an in-home or home plan customer, whether you will be using a router, and whether you want a wired or wireless connection. A wireless network connection lets you connect your Xbox 360 console to Xbox Live without using network cables. The new Xbox 360S has built-in Wi-Fi, but if you have an original Xbox 360, you will need to ensure you have a wireless adapter. You will also need a wireless modem. If you have an original Xbox 360, you will first need to add wireless capability to your console. To do this, attach an Xbox 360 wireless networking adapter by plugging in the USB cable and snapping the plastic tabs on the adapter into the slots on the back of the console. If you have a new Xbox 360S, you can skip this step. Next, you need to configure your wireless settings and test the connection. Please note that these steps vary slightly depending on your console's software. Start by going to My Xbox and then selecting System Settings. Now, select Network Settings. Now you will need to select the name of your home wireless network. If you cannot see your wireless network, select Advanced Options, then specify Unlisted Network. You can then manually enter the name of your home network. You will now be prompted to enter your wireless network password. This is the password that you specified when you set up your wireless security. If a prompt comes up asking to update your console software, select Yes. You've successfully connected to Xbox Live. A wired network connection is the fastest and most reliable way to connect to Xbox Live. To do this, you will need a network cable to connect your console to a router or modem. Before you begin, you'll also need to determine whether you'll be plugging your console directly into your in-home cable modem or if you'll be connecting it to a router or home plan ADSL modem. We'll start by walking you through connecting your console to a router or home plan ADSL modem. First, plug one end of your network cable into a port on your router or modem. Then plug the other end into the back of your console. The setup should now look like this. Now turn your console on and go into My Xbox, then System Settings. Next, select Network Settings. Then test My Xbox Live connection. If a prompt comes up asking to update your console software, select Yes. You've successfully connected to Xbox Live. Finally, I will walk you through connecting your console directly to your in-home cable modem. Please note that since your cable modem only has one Ethernet port, only one device can be plugged into it at a time. First, plug one end of your network cable into the port on the back of your cable modem. Then plug the other end into the back of your console. The setup should now look like this. Now turn your console on and go into My Xbox, then System Settings. Now select Network Settings, then Edit Settings. Now select the IP settings, IP address, subnet mask, gateway area. Then push the A button. Next, select Manual. Now you will need to enter your Telstra Clear IP address, subnet mask, and gateway. Once you've done this, select Done. Now select Edit Settings again. Then select the DNS settings area. You will then need to enter the Telstra Clear DNS servers. For the primary DNS server, enter 203.97.78.43. And for the secondary DNS server, enter 203.97.78.44. Once you have done this, select Done. You've successfully connected to Xbox Live.